In this video, we will be going over how to install an EcoHitch on your Toyota Prius V. To start, find and lubricate the two rubber factory exhaust hangers from the exhaust. Next, remove the two exhaust hanger brackets from the passenger side and driver's side of the vehicle. Next, remove the bumper tabs and clips from the frame. Then, reattach the exhaust hanger on the passenger side and begin threading in the bolts. Reattach the exhaust hanger bracket on the passenger side. Then, after tightening your bolts, grab your side straps provided in the kit. Pay attention to the orientation of them when installing them on your hitch. Thread a bolt through the frame with the appropriate hardware. After that, thread a bolt through the side strap and the EcoHitch with the rest of the hardware. Once all the bolts are in place for the straps, tighten them to the proper foot-pounds. Next, reattach the bumper tabs and fasten it with the 1/4-inch bolts provided. Finally, reattach the exhaust to the exhaust hangers. Once the exhaust and hitch are in place and tightened, your installation is complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.